I wish I could dance on a stage. I wish I could explore a snowy mountain. I wish I could ride a roller coaster in the clouds. I wish I could play a fun video game.
I wish I could ride a magic carpet. I wish I could have a magical pet. I wish I could explore a castle. I wish I could go on a picnic with friends.
These
This is so great.
And the juice.
I wish I could catch colorful butterflies. I wish I could watch the sunset from a mountain.
I wish I could ride a bicycle through a forest. I wish I could watch the stars at night.
I wish I could play with snow. I wish I could explore a cave.
I wish I could ride a train across the mountains. I wish I could watch fireworks every night. I wish I could play with puppies. I wish I could build a sandcastle. I wish I could ride a scooter fast. I wish I could make a flying kite. I wish I could go on a safari. I wish I could build a treehouse. I wish I could find hidden treasure.
I wish I could see a rainbow up close. I wish I could climb a tall tree. I wish I could help animals in need.
I wish I could explore a jungle. I wish I could ride a horse in the mountains.
I wish I could play soccer like a pro. Yes! I did it! Great goal! Awesome kick!
I wish I could ride a boat on a river.
I wish I could write amazing stories.
I wish I could ride a camel in the desert. I wish I could plant a big tree. I wish I could fly a drone.
I wish I could learn to play the piano.
I wish I could ride a skateboard like a pro.
I wish I could play basketball with my friends.
I wish I could explore the deep ocean. I wish I could travel in a hot air balloon. I wish I could ride a roller coaster. I wish I could paint a giant mural.
I wish I could play chess like a champion.
I wish I had a beautiful bicycle. I wish I could become a doctor. I wish I could learn to dance. I wish I could become a famous artist.
I wish I had a big collection of games. I wish I had a peaceful place to relax. I wish I could become very strong. I wish I could make everyone smile.
I wish I could learn magic tricks.
I wish I had a smart robot assistant. Wow, you're here! Can you help me?
Of course, Ollie.
I wish I could become an astronaut. I wish I could help my parents every day. I wish I could become a teacher. All right, class, let's begin our lesson.
I wish I could win a big prize.
I wish I had a powerful computer.
I wish I had a big swimming pool.
I wish I could play the guitar. I wish I could solve every problem easily. I wish I could learn to cook delicious food. I wish I had a beautiful garden. I wish I could sing beautifully.
I wish I could become a pilot. All right, here we go. I wish I could help people in need.
I wish I had a fast racing car. I wish I had a big playground near my house.
I wish I could become a scientist.
I wish I could make new friends everywhere. I wish I could visit the moon.
I wish I had a magical pen.
I wish I could build a robot.
I wish I could ride a horse.
I wish I could speak many languages.
I wish I had a big library of books.
I wish I had a room full of toys.
I wish I could climb the highest mountain.
I wish I could draw amazing pictures.
I wish I could run as fast as the wind. I wish I could eat ice cream every day. I wish I had a big tree house. I wish I had a bicycle to ride every day. I wish I could swim like a fish.
I wish I had a pet dog to play with. I wish I could play in the rain all day.
I wish I could travel around the world. I wish I were a great football player. I wish I had a big box of chocolates. I wish I could fly like a bird.